Now, once done opening up your family master, your member master, your financial master, last step for the first leg of onboarding is your broker setup. Now, you might be having multiple broker formats or multiple brokers that you work with. All of them can be found in this add more formats. Over here in investment type, once you click on the drop down option, you can see all the capital market segments are shown to you as per the availability. Currency as of now, as RBI has banned trading into that, we are not able to come up with new formats of currency. However, for all the other segments, all the possible formats are updated as and when the broker formats gets changed. So you have to select your brokers and your brokers format segment wise. So for example, if you have Zerodha and you trade both in equity cash and equity derivatives, you'll have to also select Zerodha for equity and as well as for Zerodha's FNO twice. So I come on to equity, I click on OK. By clicking on OK, all the available broker formats will be loaded. And from this universe of lists, you'll have to select which are the brokers that you deal with. Once done, simply click on tick mark and click on save. And all the selected broker formats will be shown to you in this particular format. So over here, you can see all the selected formats that you chose for each segment. So for equity, these are the many broker formats that I have selected. If I go to FNO and click on OK, all the FNO related broker formats that I selected will load. So once done, job is not done yet. We'll have to also acknowledge the corresponding expenses that are being charged by the broker in our contract notes. So I'll quickly go on to Zerodha to show you an example. I'm clicking on Zerodha's 2024 trade file. I'm marking it by ticking on select and also clicking on tick mark option for set as default. Now you can see there's an option called expense setting. You'll have to click on this tick mark option. Only then this section will get unfreezed for you. Now I have selected 190 as the row for Zerodha Broking Limited Trade File 2024. I'm willing to import my contract notes for. And now, once I click on download expenses, it will ask you, do you want to select download expenses for this particular format? And once you click on OK and hit red button called download expenses for that particular format, all the possible expenses or charges levied by the broker for making that particular transaction in the market will be auto captured and populated within your database in this particular member. So there is no need for you manually creating a ledger for your expenses that are available in your broker format. Everything available by the broker, we have been able to capture it for you and it is automated. There is no need for manual intervention to create a new ledger for expenses. Once done, simply click on save to save all the corresponding sections and the criteria we have just predefined. So this gets stored for you. This is the only time you have to, select your format. If the format is consistent throughout the years, there's no need to come back to this menu and select again and again the same broker format.